All right, so I'm going to show you two things you need to learn.
Need to
as a beginner
learn.
and also as an intermediate guitarist. I want to show you two licks, or should I say, kind of scales. Okay, many of you have been asking scales on how you can use to, make some cool improvisation whenever you're soloing, whenever you're making improvisation. Okay, so stay with me to the end of this video. You're going to learn a lot, and it's going to add more spice into your playing. Okay. Alright guys, so without wasting your time, let's move straight to the video. But if you know that is the first time you're coming across my video, be sure to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any video like this. Anytime I upload a video, interesting video like this, okay? And if you like the video, please do well to smash on the like button. If you have any challenges, hit on the comment section. I'm going to give you the reply as soon as possible, okay? If you want to join my online class, personal class, okay? It's not a free class, it's a payable class. Do well to hit me on the number on the screen there. I'm going to respond to you on WhatsApp, okay? All right, let's go straight to the video. Okay, so welcome back. So we'll be doing the lesson in the key of G. Okay? That's the key of G. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. For many of you that are not familiar with the key of G, many of them I likely play more of a chromatic scale, so I'm really used to chromatic. So learn your scale, like I always say, in all the fretboard position. That is a gateway for you to understand scales and melody. Okay, that is a gateway for you to improvise your own melody. Okay. So this is what I do mostly on my free time, okay? So this is what I want you to learn. This chord is when you are on a minor chord like a La. I'm going to show you two different scales, okay? Sorry, this scale, I'm going to show you two different scales. This is an E minor chord, that is a La in the key of G, okay? This is an E minor chord. We have another inversion here. Okay, we have another inversion here. The root, the fourth, okay, and the fifth, which is on the third string. Then the one, then the minor third there, which is more, okay. So you just place your first finger on the fourth, yeah. Okay, that is an E minor chord on this other shape, okay? So you still have it here also. You still have it here. Okay, so we still have it here on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, on the 7th fret. Okay. You have it here. We have an E minor here again. Okay, we have it here. So any of them, you can go ahead and practice them in different shape, okay? So I want you to play scale like this. So like you use it a lot. Okay? Maybe you are improvising over the me. That's la, la, mi, B minor. That's a B minor chord. B minor chord. Okay, you can apply scales like that. Okay, so what I played there was mi, so, va, la, do, ti, re, fa, mi. Okay. To make it more beautifying, you have to, slide over it. Do, re, la. Okay, so that's the first part. or you can play any of them instead of the same. La. Any of them you want to play. Okay, it still go well. So the second one I want to show you is something like this. Yeah. Okay, I like you use it a lot. So this is the key of G on this other shape, okay? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. La, do, fa, mi, re, do, re, la. Okay? So this is your La chord. Okay, that is your La chord on this shape. So if you want to play something, if you want to sound small, awesome over it, that for me, like if you sing song, everybody testify you are good. Okay, because that song is normally start from La. Okay, La 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 la. Okay. You come back to your line. Everybody testify you are. So if you want a solo song like that, you will just play. Okay, so what I play do la do ti la do ti re fa re mo mi re fa re mo mi re fa re mo mi. Then you play another octave again. Okay, la do ti la do ti re fa re mo mi. Okay, so another octave just like that. You can see how we okay, just like that. Just be play. You can equally play it all over the fretboard. Yeah, you can find it all over the fretboard. Okay, that is any of them. You can find it all over the fretboard. This is re, do, ti, la. Any of them, you can play it all over the fretboard. Okay, so that's it. Wherever you don't understand, get back to me. I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now.